This is an amazing movement to be using now in pregnancy, helping to release the uterus ligaments, but also really amazing to use when you go into labour. It's an amazing labour movement. As you rotate those hips round, you're rolling your baby's head over and over on the cervix, boosting all that amazing oxytocin, making every contraction as productive and as effective as it can possibly be. You could also try some figure of eights with your hips. Now, initially, if this is the first time that you try this, you'll probably find it a bit of a strange movement, but doing it now, practicing in pregnancy will make using this movement when you go into labour a whole lot easier. Gently, figure of eights with those hips. What we're doing here whilst you're in labour is helping to offer alternative space to your baby, helping to bring them through your pelvis on their way out. And when you're ready, bringing yourself back up into standing.